So, hello students. Today we are going to study about what are the different steps we should follow. Okay, or we can say it is a guide for recovering from an online brand attack. We have seen in our last classes that there will be a it is like a two-way process whenever we are coming for the social media. There is a two-way interaction happens between both the side, consumer side and the company side. So that is the, you can say one side it is advantages also, one side it is a disadvantages side also. Both are the vice versa kind of thing available in social media. Now how to recover from it? So let's see one by one. So first step is be prepared. Okay, so no brand is immune from an online brand attack. Every brand get attacks. Okay, you have seen Coca-Cola, you have seen Pepsi, Thumbs Up, Snapdeal, Flipkart, Amazon, and you have seen Tanishka, you have seen McDonald, you have seen KFC. So every brand gets attacked. So the best brand have strategies in place to identify a reputation crisis whenever it is happening. So what they do is immediately and respond to it quickly enough to stop the negative word of mouth from spreading. So there will be people who will be always looking into this. So any crisis they see, so suddenly they come up, they have the prepared plan. So suddenly they start counter attacking it, and they try to reduce the word of mouth. Okay, whatever spreading on the social media. Keep your brand in front of consumers by engaging in the conversation. Okay, so this can be done making use of blogs, communicating with customers, and being open and honest as possible. So be honest, that will be better for you. Engaging in and leading the conversation allows you to build an authentic voice. So if a crisis hits, you will be well placed to respond in a way that it is authentic. So more authentic, you can more handle the crisis. You can easily do that. Step two is act immediately. So the easiest way to solve most brand attacks is to respond quickly. Okay, so best way, so suddenly when you see there is a start of a crisis, then you should start it solving immediately. You have to act very quickly. A brand that shows it is listening and does indeed care will go far when it comes to ensuring a solid online reputation. So acknowledge what has been said and react accordingly. Okay, that is the best method you can tackle the crisis which is happening to your brand. That is the second step. Now the third step is, if what they are saying is false. So if the attack on your brand is factually incorrect, send the person evidence that they are wrong. Okay, prove them whatever you are claiming that is wrong. So in social media nowadays you will find more fake things which happens. They will take an old pic, they will take old any video, and they will say this is happening in this area. They edit it, everything they do. That is very easily possible with the Photoshop's thing. So then you have to prove them that whatever you are saying is very wrong, and in a friendly tone also. That is again important. No need to be harsh on them. Ask them to remove or retract the entry and offer to keep them informed of future news also. So they will remove it. So if the person doesn't react or respond, add a comment to the post that it has been addressed. Okay. So cultivating a loyal community always help the business. They will increase your pocket size. The fans can help immensely when clearing up false information. So any false information comes, if you have a loyal customer with you, loyal community with you, so they, instead of you, they will come to counterattack it, and they will clear their whatever claims are done from that side. So you look much more credible if your fans back up your statements also. So that is the best thing you can say. Do this. Step four: if what they are saying is true. Now, once the last of you have seen whatever they are saying wrong. Now, if whatever they are saying that will be true, then how to manage it? If the mention is negative but true, send your side of the story and try as hard as you can to take the conversation offline. So we will solve your personal whatever problem you are facing. We are ready to look into it. So please contact our service helpline number. So we will solve your problem immediately. Once it is done, then again he will come and post, thanks for solving the problem immediately. Love the services of your organization. That comment will come from that side. So if appropriate, apologizes quickly and sincerely and offer to make amends. So that you can do in the fourth step. Step 5, keep the negative pages out of the search engines. That is the thing you have to always do when someone is managing your social media pages. So keeping more users from reading negative things about your brand is very imperative. Okay, that is not good for your business. So knock them off the first page of the results with basic SEO and some social media pages. You can do that, such as Facebook, Twitter, or blog post. When Facebook has given the chance the people to comment also, that they have given even chance to block also. They have given chance to delete the thing also. That also they can hide it. Keep adding pages and links until you have forced the offending pages out of the site whenever research is going on. Whenever Google search is going on, so you can remove that because of improving your SEO with that particular keywords. That also you can do that. So this is regarding today's class. Any doubt if you are having it?